Use tools to remove the fastening screws from the end cap, and take off the end cap of the membrane housing. Safely store the 3 fastening bolts, 3 spacer rings, and 1 end plate that were removed. Apply medical glycerin to the inlet of the membrane housing, ensuring that the arrow on the reverse osmosis membrane aligns with the direction of water flow. Slowly insert the membrane into the membrane housing. Apply an even layer of medical glycerin to the membrane's interface, the central tube, and the connectors for lubrication. Align the second membrane with the connector, and push it into the membrane housing. Apply medical glycerin to the end cap, and firmly push it into the membrane housing. Use tools to ensure that the end plate of the membrane housing is properly positioned. Place the spacer rings and secure the end cap with the fastening bolts. The reverse osmosis membrane installation is now complete.